The greasy hair has a purpose, but if your hair looks like this, go wash it. Anyway, just a bit of autistic hygiene, awareness. Because sometimes autistic people are aware of the hygiene problem, but if your hair looks like this, wash. Okay, there's a reason my hair's greasy. And I'm aware of my under eye bags. You don't have to mention them because I know they're there. Okay, disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. This is a how I do video because somebody asked, how do I cut my bangs? My bangs here. How do I cut them myself? Because I'm not going to spend $10 to do something I can do at home. I miss having my bangs layered, but that's life. And I don't want somebody to blame me if they butcher their hair. So this is not a tutorial. So I'm not responsible for what happens if you decide to copy it anyway, because this is not a how-to. This is a how I do, okay? Let's go. Ouch, hair in the eye, that hurts. The reason I do this with my hair greasy is because clean hair tends to splay away from the scissors more. And if my hair is wet, the tape won't stick. It's not sticking so great right now either, but at least my hair's dry, except for the grease, which is gross. Okay, now to just unstick it off my skin. Don't mind me mumbling, I just talk to myself a lot. Especially when I'm doing something difficult. Ouch, that pulled my eyebrows. Ouch, ouch. Okay. Now this never looks so pretty once it's done, because it grows out and that's when it looks better. So, I do cut them shorter than they do at the salon, but that's because it takes them longer to grow out, which is much more my preference. The hairs are falling out. There's always a couple long ones. Let's see. Yeah, now I can go ahead and just even it. This is always the annoying part. The hair falling on my face feels like glass. Yeah, I see where I need to adjust it. Damn, scissors don't want to cut. Trick. See a stray one right there. The trick is that I do it little tiny bits at a time, and I accept that it's not going to be even and salon pretty. God, I've got hair all over my face, and I hate it. It's always at one side. There you go, done. See, they are quite short and they're probably not perfectly even, but they'll grow out. So that's what I want. But that's how I do my bangs.